where you are. By the way, there's still more in there. Oh, wait, what? No. Yes, guns. Guns. Oh, gee. Why does he react to those things? Wow. Oof. Where is my thing? Oh, wait, I've got to build it. Oh, sorry. Yeah, let's go get this money. I just want my thing. Why? Oh, what? That makes no sense. He wants money. Thanks. Oh, look. Thanks for building that, by the way. Lying down. He won't even tell me where I am. It doesn't detect anymore. Tattoo. Wait. It's guns, but don't shoot. Anyway. Ooh, I can't wait to have this. Oh yeah. This is gonna be epic. A few minutes later, he finally works how to work this thing. Oh, come on. Do you know this doesn't work? Oh, yes it does. So don't say that. Oh, wait. Fits in my hand and everything. Wow. Love this thing. Love it. That is epic. How would that even work? That works. Oh well. I've tried those. No, you haven't. Yes, I have. No, you haven't. Yes, I have. No. Yes, no, yes. Okay, I have. Okay, you have too. Sir, if there's any traitors to come, I kill them. But how about the good guys? Okay. Detecting someone. Don't have a home. I mean, don't even have a home yet. How don't I even start with the home in this game? Wait. There's a home. First person view. There's a whole big home. Whoa, look at that. Probably where it takes because I started with that. Okay, let's go. Here I am. Ouch. Hey. Oh. Hi, are you good at fighting? Very good at doing sword fighting stuff. Oh well. Duh, we don't have one. What? Yes we do. Making one. Stop. Stop. Oh wait, what? No. Where did that can come from? For me! Time for me! What does this do? Ooh! Eeh. Let's try this out. How am I? There we go. Let's turn it on. Whew. I don't know how to turn this on though. How do you turn these things on? I really don't know. Please don't tell me, 'cause I don't know.